Now we're going to smooth this thing right here, and I'll show you how to do this properly. I have on safety glasses. I don't need a aspiration mask on for this operation. Come over here, plug this sucker in. I've got this tool here. I have a nub all prepared over here, I believe, that's ready to use if I can find it. Here. Okay, I can't really find it. I'm sure it's here. I just don't know. It's not this one. And there she be. Lock this sucker on. The Dremel tool is one of the most wonderful, versatile tools you'll ever see in your life. You can do so many things with it. And this is on here now, you see. And I'm going to bring it down just a little further. I don't need it extended that much. I'll bring it to here. Now my next thing, I have to get some grinding compound. Always should be fresh. And, so I'll be right back with the Mother's Megan aluminum polish. Okay, I have my Mother's Megan aluminum polish. Mother's Megan aluminum polish. I use rubber gloves with this because this stuff, well, you can wash it off your hand, but it's not easy. Let's see. Wow, great. Okay. I gotta go get another glove. Well, you saw how easy these things break. They fit pretty tight. Okay, the methodology. You take and you put the mag polish on the piece like this. You put it in with your fingers, then run it in the jar so that it'll throw the excess off. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm grinding two edges on the top along this piece and here. Only that. Only that. I'm not looking to smooth the rest of it. It doesn't need it. Now, how do you know if it worked? You take your little finger and feel it. It feels fine. So we start all over again on the other side. Fresh goop, like this, like this. Put it in here so the slough falls off, and here we go. Not a very high speed. Come in from the center to the outside. This does not affect the airtightness of the unit. I'm not down far enough to affect the airtightness. And I don't get down low, I just stay right there and right there. Okay. Now, to test properly, you have to take And that bottom one is not right. It's close. Now it's fine. So what I've done is to smooth I have smoothed this upper edge of the mouthpiece screw bumper hole, both ends, so that it's not sharp at 90 degrees, it's now curved. And I've done the same here and here, and that means that when this hits the bumper, it won't cut the bumper because it's not like a knife. These act like knives on the bumpers, that's why they wear out fast. So I can make a set of bumpers last about 6 times as long by doing this. You unplug your tool here. There's no safety concerns with this thing. So basically, we're good to go upstairs to clean this, and that's the next step.